Nung una po, hindi ko po masyadong natanggap. Pero yung nalaman ko po yung big twist sa wild card po, bumalik po yung lakas ng loob ko po at nakapag-move on agad po ako.
Ang point dito is hindi mo sabay yung backup. Nawala na yung turo ko. Nawala na. Hindi ko na kaya to.
Nagpipray po ako kay Papa Lord. Sana po makapasok ako ulit.
What an opening performance from Lovely. Last week, very controversial ang kanilang mga hirit. Pero ngayong gabi, papaano naman kaya sila aalma sa pasabog na performances na may kita nila? Here are our judges. Comedian, TV host, songwriter, and hitmaker, the Guru, Mr. Joey De Leon. Musician and renowned TV director, the expert, Direk Bert De Leon. Batikang composer and musical director, please welcome Maestro Mr. Louie Ocampo. Acclaimed TV and film actress, a recording artist, Jaja Saturna herself, Miss Yula Valdez. Direk Bert, simula muna tayo sa inyo.
I'm still choked up with emotion. Yan, umiiyak kayo. Parang... Ang masasabi ko lang, Lovely, you proved your point na dapat talagang kasali ka rito all the way to the end.
Tears of joy lang naman po ito. Tears of joy lang. Kasi paus po ito eh. So during rehearsals, hindi ko siya pinakanta, hindi ko siya pinasigaw. Lahat ng tinuro ko, ginawa niya. Kaya ako naiyak kasi hindi ko akala. Mahirap yung kanta na yun eh. Hindi joke. Kahit kaming pro, kinakanta yun, nahirapan kami.
Ang nakita kong point dun sa Inside Protege, yung tinuturo mo sa kanya kung paano siya kukontra-tempo dun sa backup vocals.
Yes,
no?
yes.
And parang nag-give up ka na dun sa Inside Protege. Pero I know you didn't give up kasi ang ganda ng performance ni Lovely.
Mr. Leo.
Yeah, I agree, no? Yung rendition mo of this song was excellently thought of and excellently executed. I hope and pray that the heavens will listen to your prayers at dambahin ka ng madaming text vote because you deserve to be here. Congratulations.
Pwedeng magsalita kasi every time I don't really say much about anything but okay lang po yung nangyari last week. Kahit naman sinong natatanggal, masakit eh. I just didn't believe that it was her turn last week but that's okay. Besides the point na yon, ang akin lamang po, hinihiling ko po yung mga fans ni Lovely na alam ko nung umpisa nandyan. Huwag kayong makampante. This is a contest. Kahit papano, kaya magaling ka kay hindi. Pag binoto nyo sila, aangat sila. So hinihiling ko po yung vote ninyo at nagpapasalamat po ako, kaming ni Lovely, sa inyong lahat for your continued support. And Kuya Homer and the band, the backup singers, everyone, all the proteges, all the other mentors, thank you so much. We all support each other. But I think this is the moment that we need your vote.